him, he one night time. I never listen, no.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Do I even have to say anything? Like, be for real. I'm coming to y'all today with a gorgeous wig install, you guys. Glueless. I didn't pluck nothing. I didn't bleach nothing. The wig came just like this. This wig is from Panalahair. I'm going to go in and show y'all what they sent me. I just wanted to start off this video with an intro and tell y'all this hair eats. This hair is giving very much Nicki Minaj, no baby hair. Very much fall time, very much silk press. As y'all can see, this wig has the perfect density. So it just literally looks like my hair. Like, it's not too full, not too... It looks like a silk press. So if you guys are interested in watching me install this wig and purchasing this wig, I'll leave everything linked down below. Thank y'all for tuning in, and let's get into the video. All right, y'all. So yeah, I'm in a rush. As y'all can see, I got my robe on. I'm not even dressed yet. And today we're going to be installing a glueless wig from Panalahair. I hope I say it right. Panala. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Panala. Yeah, this wig is from Panalahair, y'all. They sent me some goodies along with the wig. Let me go ahead and show y'all real quick. So the first thing they sent me was this bag, which I will be using for traveling, etc. Might put it in my hospital bag. I don't know yet. A wig band, a black comb, a pouch that comes with 2 clips and a edge brush, 2 clips, an edge brush, and then lastly they sent me a pack of a wig cap that come in 2 pieces, but as y'all can see I already have a wig cap on my head. And then lastly they sent me this straight luscious, as y'all can see I haven't done nothing to the wig, no silk drops, nothing. And the knots are already bleached. Let me show you guys. I'll leave all the information to this wig on the screen because I don't really know off the top of my head how long this is. I do wish that, you know what I'm saying, I got me like a little 28 or 30 inch, but that's okay. But I'm going to go ahead and show y'all the hairline. I did not do anything to this wig. I did not pluck it. I did not bleach it. It came just like this. And they claim that it is ready to go. So you slap it on your head. You could do a little bit of customizing. Hot comb, whatever. We're gonna see because y'all know recently I have not been liking glueless wigs, so we're actually gonna see. This is what the knots look like. I did not do anything to this wig yet. I'm gonna go ahead and customize this wig on a mannequin head, so let's get into it. Y'all, this wig is so versatile. This is a 7x5 closure, meaning you can do a deep part, you can do a middle part, side part. It's literally versatile. Whatever style that you want to do, you can achieve with this wig from Panalahair. I'll leave everything linked down below if you guys are interested in shopping this exact wig. And they have more glueless wigs on their site. Now, glueless wigs, you guys know, are perfect for beginners. It's beginner friendly. It's perfect for moms, those who don't have much time to do their hair, those who don't have the money to go get their hair done every 2 weeks. These glueless, ready to go, pre-pluck, pre-bleached wigs are it, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this is the new trend, and I would recommend you guys get your glueless wig from Panalahair. So as you guys can see, the only customization that was needed to this wig was, you know, I did hot comb it to get it flat. And I did go ahead and put some makeup in on the lace. You guys see all that lace that you get. It's a 7x5, y'all. Go ahead and shop using the link down below. And I will stop talking and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to check out Panalahair, period.
I'm out of town, thuggin' with my round. My coochie pink, my booty hole brown. Where the niggas, I'm looking for the hoes. Quit playing nigga, cause suck a bitch toe. Pound town, just left pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. Pound town, just left Pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. I'm out here in Miami, looking for the hoochie daddy. Where the niggas that get ratchet? My son need a new pappy. Too many bitches, where the niggas at? I'm trying to get my coochie stretched, yeah. I'm trying to get my coochie stretched, yeah. You know them dreadheads do it the best. Oh yeah. I like a nigga with a check. All my niggas give me that. You know I'm sexy, I'm the best. I'm the shit, little bitch, I'm that. You know I can't say his name, cause he be cheating. I love you, baby. Yeah, and I'm the reason. Niggas love a bad bitch. Yeah, yeah. What Suki say, nut on my tits. Pound town, just left Pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. Pound town, just left Pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. Oh, oh, oh.
Shanti, chapter 2, let's rock.
Can you rock for me, oh baby, not stopping me? Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me, oh baby, all over me? Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me, oh baby, when you're kissing me.
Alright y'all, this is the end result for the glueless wig. I did not think this wig was going to come out this gorgeous. I'm going to be honest with y'all, this wig is beautiful. It's probably the best glueless wig that has ever been sent to me. Luna, what is she doing, y'all? This is probably the best wig that ever been sent to me, y'all. This wig, 10 out of 10, no complaints. I have absolutely not one complaint. You like the wig too, huh? She likes the wig too, y'all. You like it? Mommy look pretty? Oh, mommy looks pretty. Ow! Yeah, I'm definitely satisfied with this wig. This wig eats. Definitely exceeded my expectations. It's soft. This wig is more for my natural girls. The girls that, you know what I'm saying, don't want it to look like they got a wig on. This wig is for you. So yeah, thank you so much to Panalahair for sponsoring today's video and sending me this gorgeous Nicki Minaj inspired no baby hair glueless wig. I don't even have to talk. Y'all see what's going on, okay? So yeah, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye. Say bye, Luna.
I don't mean to, but I Everybody's like, he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though.